Yo, what's up guys, it's me Borys and welcome in today's trade recap. Today I took one winning trade on ES and I made 511 bucks. So yeah, let's go over today's price action as always. Um, and starting on the daily, uh, today I was leaning bullish. I was extremely bullish to be honest, because we were going up for the past week. We have all of these untapped draws on liquidity on Nasdaq, and we are also at all-time highs on ES. But considering that it's a Friday and Fridays are a lot of the times bearish, I wasn't opposed to taking some short position today. And yeah, as you can see, we had this 4-hour fair value gap that is getting respected. We have unmitigated 4-hour fair value gap below us on both Nasdaq and ES. From there, on 15-minute time frame, we also had a 15-minute fair value gap that is being respected. We also had news today that created equal lows. I think it was NFP. So we had data lows here and data lows here that created equal lows on both Nasdaq and TS. So even though I was leaning bullish, we had a lot of confluences to go lower and then go up. And yeah, I wanted to take one entry that was earlier than this, but I kind of hesitated, and it was this. Oops. Okay, this 1 minute entry. The reason why I hesitated was because the ES at this time was just ripping through this fair value gap, and I wasn't sure if we don't wanna just do something like this. So yeah, I faded the setup. It would also be a win, but it doesn't matter. I took my winning trade. And to be honest, I'm really glad that I start to be picky with my entries because that's something that I try to focus on to take only setups that are like literally perfect. And yeah, we'll go over this trade in a moment, and I will show you why this was a very, very good entry, even though it was very close to drawn liquidity, but yeah, it was an amazing entry. So as I said, on 15-minute we had this fair value gap that I use as my key level. And then on Nasdaq, we swept this buy side. On ES, we also swept this buy side, but I really, wasn't looking for this. But yeah, we inversed this 1 minute right here. We respected this 1 minute fair value gap, and on ES we had literally no reason to go up. We had no fair value gaps here. We have mitigated fair value gap. So there was no reason to go higher before taking this drawn liquidity. On Nasdaq, we had this 5-minute fair value gap, so it was possible for us to come back, tap this fair value gap and then go sweep this sell side. And that's why I wasn't really looking for an entry on Nasdaq after this entry. But yeah, we respected this fair value gap. Then I zoomed in to 30 seconds for some possible entry, and I saw that we created this beautiful 30 seconds fair value gap. So I set my limit order here, stop loss at this high, and obviously targeting those equal lows. And yeah, it was a beautiful trade. I'm really proud of my performance this week and overall performance because I've been also backtesting a lot, and those backtesting sessions are teaching me a lot. And also, I see that what I do works. So that's pretty nice feeling. Yeah, I'm also up 1.3k on a funded account, so really close to making a full buffer. That's it for today, and I will see you on Monday.